What's up, beat makers and producers? This is your boy Reggie Beats. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys 5 must-have tools for music producers to sell beats online. Let's get it. A beat selling business includes a lot of tasks such as making the beat, uploading the beat, making the cover art, making graphic videos, and also naming the beat, which takes like 90% of the time. This task can take up a lot of time, which will end up slowing your process. But today I'm gonna show you 5 ways so that you can save more time and make more beats. Let's get it. The first must-have tool that you need is called Canva, and Canva is used to create your cover art or your beat art, so you can be able to upload your beats online, because you can't really just upload an audio only. There needs to be a graphical representation. Let me show how it works. There's a link for this in the description below, so just click on it if you wanna get started. It's free. I'll just go to create design and just search for YouTube. So simple and nice and easy. YouTube channel, YouTube thumbnail, because you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. Then you're gonna click that. Then we have a beautiful canvas, so you can just download a picture from anywhere and upload it. But I have a lot of pictures on my Canva already. I'll just select one picture. I'll select this one. Let's say I'm making a cash doll type beat. I'm just gonna select this, make sure I extend it that it fits the whole thing, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna go to text. Then I'm gonna add text, and on the text I'm gonna type, let's say the name of this beat is called Body the Beat. Body the Beat. Okay, it's Body the Beat. I'm gonna make sure it's big enough so that people can read it from afar, and I'm gonna make sure I choose a nice font. I like text me one is nice and poppins. Just choose a font that looks modern. You know, this looks beautiful. Then I'm gonna make sure that the text stand out. So I'm gonna darken up the picture. I'm gonna go to edit picture now. Here by brightness, take it down a bit. By contrast, take it down a bit as well. Look at how beautiful it looks. That's my cover art right here. I'm gonna download this, then save it. Then boom, you got a cover art now. The second tool that you need is called TunestoTube, and this service is used to upload your beat to YouTube, because as you know, you can't really upload just audio to YouTube. It needs to be a video, and you know that making a video can take a long ass time. So TunestoTube can cut down like 5 hours into 3 minutes or 3 seconds. That's crazy. So what you need to use TunestoTube, you just need to have an image, which is what we've created using Canva, and a beat, which is what you've created by yourself. So let me show you how it works. Just go to TunestoTube. The link will be in the description below. Click on sign in. You know, create an account if you don't have one. I already have one, and I'm gonna select my YouTube account. I got a lot of accounts, man. It's always good to put your eggs in multiple baskets. Allow. So now you see here it says upload files. I'm gonna go and upload the beat. So I'm gonna start with the beat. I'm gonna go to my Dropbox. I like saving my beats on Dropbox. It just makes it easy for me to access them. And I'm gonna go select, let's see, I'll select Brazy. And now I'll just go select that picture that we made using Canva. I saved it in downloads. Body the beat. Look how nice it looks. Put it there. I'll just name it Free Cash Doll Type Beat 2022. Before clicking create video, you have to make sure that it's private if you want it to be private, or unlisted if you want it to be unlisted, or live if you want it to be live. But then if you upgrade to the pro version, you can even you can schedule it so that you can put it out at 12 o'clock or whatever time it is. Now I'm gonna make it private. I'm gonna click on create video, and you'll see after a couple of seconds it's gonna be done. Let's check that. What, finishing coding so quick? Now uploading to YouTube. It's done. Look at that, 3 seconds. Now I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel, and as you can see, here is the beat right here at the top. And as you can see, here it is, and here's the image. But you can see there's like a small watermark at the top because I'm using the free version. All I have to do is just click on upload thumbnail again, go to downloads, body the beat. Now the thumbnail doesn't have any watermark. Now it looks professional. Then click save. The third important tool is called VidIQ, and it's designed to boost your YouTube views. And trust me, this works. I use it on a lot of my videos and it always proves me right. So just go to vidiq.com and the link is in the description below. Just click on login or create an account, and then I'm gonna just log in right here. I already have my account. So as I log in, I'm greeted with this nice beautiful interface. So you see here where it says keyword opportunities. If you don't see, just click on keywords and I'm gonna search cash doll type beat, because that's the beat that I made that I'm trying to upload. And as you can see, now it's showing me that the search volume for cash doll type beat is medium, which means that there is a number of people who are searching for it and the competition is very low, which is great because you want to upload a beat with the keyword that has high search volume and low competition. So as you can see here, it shows me the related keywords. So I'm gonna just copy these related keywords, all of them, and then I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna go back to my video and then I'm gonna go to tags all the way down here. Here's tags. I'm gonna paste this here, and there's more recommended. I'm gonna add this ones too. There you go. There's more that VidIQ can do, but for now I'll just show you this tag function because this will help you rank for the specific keywords. The fourth tool is called Content ID, which is a system that will detect if somebody is using your beats on YouTube without you giving them permission, and you'll be able to actually make money from their videos. That's a cool one. So for this one, you can use multiple services. You can use Airbit, or you can use Identify, or you can use DistroKid, but I would suggest that if you are starting up, you could use Airbit because it's not as complicated for you to get approved as a producer. As long as you can prove that you own your beats, you'll be in, and you get paid monthly, which is a great thing. Because services like Identify is a great service, but you get paid quarterly. You gotta wait a couple of times. So if you want to get started with YouTube Content ID, so when somebody posts your beats, you can get money from it, just click on the link in the description below where it's written Airbit, and let's get started. Let me show you how it works right quick. I'll log in now. I'm gonna go to Seller Dashboard. Then I'm gonna go to Monetization, YouTube Content ID. So to upload a beat, you need to actually have it in your beat store. So you can just go to My Music and Media, you go to Beats, then you're gonna just upload a beat, click on Upload. Just go through the normal process of uploading a beat. After when you upload a beat, you go to Monetization, again YouTube Content ID, and you click on Submit Beats. And here you should see the list of your beats and select the one that you need to submit. Click Agree and submit. After a day or two, they will review your beat, and then when somebody's using your beat without a license, then you can actually get paid for it. So the final one, which is not the least, is Mailchimp. Mailchimp is just an email marketing service, because when somebody buys your beat, it's always good to get their email because you can be able to sell them more beats, which is why I recommend this service. Mailchimp is free for you to start with and is easy to use. You can easily set it up with your BeatStars or with your WordPress or with Airbit or with any beat store that you are using, so that when somebody buys a beat or downloads a beat for free, they can leave their email behind so that you can actually send them promotional emails or just any other emails, or just communicate with them so you can be able to land another sale. Because you know what they say, you get more sales from return customers. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you're looking for a part 2, subscribe, comment in the comment section below, and I'll definitely cook up one. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Reggie Beats. Peace.